Okay, so hi there everyone. We're now in our next video on the division of algebraic fractions. And in this video, we're going to talk about the solution video of the assignment or exercise that we have given in the previous assignment, or the previous video rather. So here we have x squared minus 5x plus 6 all over x minus 3 divided by x squared minus x minus 2 all over x squared minus 2x minus 3. So this is again division of algebraic fractions. What we're going to do, as we want to recall, if you want to recall how to do the operation of division in algebraic fractions, is that very similar to our integral fractions, only that, there are some variables with it. Okay, so let's answer this now as our assignment for this video. So, in a while. Um, okay, so let's transform them first into something like, get the reciprocal of this divisor. So we'll just copy the dividend as it is, x squared minus 5x, oops, x squared minus 5x plus 6 all over x minus 3 times, this time we're going to multiply this into this, get the reciprocal. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x squared minus x minus 2. Now, what we're going to do here, actually we can proceed to multiplying numerator to numerator here, denominator to denominator, but then I think it's much better for us to simplify and then factorize first. Maybe we can factor them, which actually is, yes, we can. And if we'll do that, we'll factorize, since they are all of them, not all, most of them, 3 out of 4 of them are quadratic trinomials. So maybe we can factor them, this part, we'll factor this numerator, and then the denominator here. Okay, so if we do that, let's try to think of it one by one. So if you'll help me with it, maybe you can pause the video and try for yourself what are the factors of these three expressions here. Okay, go. Okay, so with that, I think you can get now what are the factors of these three numbers. So for this part, let me copy off the denominator first. So we have x minus 3 as the denominator. And then we have x squared minus 5x plus 6. So what is the factors? What are the two integers? When multiplied together will give us 6, but when combined together will give us negative 5. So since it's a negative 5, we need to have two negative numbers. So there's no better numbers than 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and negative 3 times negative 2 or plus negative 2 is negative 5. So for sure what we'll have is x minus 3 and x minus 2. You can check them out if you want to. Okay? And then multiplied 2, we also need to get the factors, binomial factors of x squared minus 2 x minus 3. So maybe you can see that we have on the third term we have a negative product of the two integers. That is, they are of the not the same signs, and the middle term is negative, so meaning the one with a bigger number has to be negative. So what are the two numbers? Okay, so I think I have given you time already. The two numbers are x minus 3 and x plus 1. So try to imagine negative 3 times positive 1 is going to give us negative 3. Negative 3 plus 1 is going to give us negative 2. So those are our factors. Okay, for the denominator, we have x squared minus x minus 2. So multiply those two numbers, it's going to give us minus 2. Combine them or add or subtract, it's going to give us minus 1. So there are no better numbers than x minus 2 times x plus 1. Okay, so that's it. Okay, and then maybe we can put them now in a single fraction. So if we will do that, what do we have? One long fraction for that matter. So we have x minus 3 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 1. Okay, Try to imagine if we will not do the factorization, we'll have something like x to the fourth power, and that would be very much difficult if we're going to cancel something out. So in the denominator, so we have x minus 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 1. So clearly we can cancel some things up. Okay, clearly we can cancel some things up. For example, we have x minus 3 here. We can cancel it with x minus 3 down below. X minus 2, we can cancel it with x minus 2 down below. Okay, and then what else? What else do we have? We have x plus 1, which can be canceled by x plus, or rather, x plus 1 can be canceled by x plus 1 down below. Okay, so what do we have? We have a single entity left. That single entity is our x minus 3. That's our x minus 3. So let me write it down. The Our simplified version of this the division of algebraic fractions is x minus 3. So who would have thought it would be x minus 3? Try to imagine yourself if you're not going to use the factorization. You will end up with, in the numerator, something with 4 exponents, or with a degree 4, and in the numerator will have a degree 3. But then it turns out that it's going to be x minus 3, so which makes our lives easier and better. Okay, so that's for our number 2. Now, for number 3, let me write that down. Now, for number 3, what we have is example number 3. We have 10x squared all over x squared minus y squared divided by 5x all over x minus y. Okay, let me read it again. 10x squared all over x squared minus y squared divided by 5x all over x minus y. So again, just like in our previous video, I'm going to give it as an exercise or assignment for you guys. Kindly check out the next video. It's going to present to you the solution for this video. So that's it for this video right now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you would like and click the subscribe button. Thank you very much.